How to fill out a PDF form on Android. This tutorial shows you how to complete a PDF form directly on your phone without needing a computer. First, open the PDF file you want to fill out. If it's saved on your device, open it through your Files or My Files app. After that, if the PDF opens in Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right and tap Open In and select a PDF editor like Adobe Acrobat or any other PDF app you have installed. From there, if you don't have a PDF app, go to the Play Store, search for Adobe Acrobat, and tap Install. It's free and works great for filling out forms. Right here, once the PDF is open in your PDF app, tap on any text field in the form to start filling it in. Next up, your keyboard will pop up automatically. Type in the required information and move on to the next field. Moving on, for checkboxes, simply tap on them to check or uncheck them. From here, if the form requires a signature, tap on the signature field and use your finger to draw your signature directly on the screen. After that, once you've filled out all the fields, tap on the Save icon or tap Done at the top to save your completed form. Following this, you can then share the filled PDF directly from the app by tapping the Share icon and choosing WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other app you want to send it through. Finally, make sure to save a copy to your device as well, so you always have the completed form on hand whenever you need it. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.